Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you TrainerRoad Cycling Honest Review. Is it worth it? TrainerRoad is a performance-driven indoor cycling app built for athletes who want structure, focus, and measurable results. Instead of gamified rides or virtual scenery, it delivers AI-powered adaptive training plans designed around your goals. After taking an FTP test, the app creates a customized plan that evolves with your progress, whether you're training indoors or outdoors, and it integrates seamlessly with smart trainers, power meters, and platforms like Strava or Garmin. The pros: adaptive training that adjusts as you go, an extensive workout library, and real improvements in endurance and FTP, making it an affordable alternative to a personal coach at around $20 a month. The cons: it's not flashy or entertaining. It requires proper equipment for best results, and a structured approach can feel rigid, sometimes leading to burnout. So is it worth it? If you're a disciplined cyclist aiming for serious performance gains, absolutely. But if you prefer social rides, visual worlds, or variety in your training, you may find better options elsewhere. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.